Alright folks, excuse the wind. I'm out cutting this tree. As you can see, I haven't got to the top because these old trimmers I have are infuriating. Every time I angle it upwards they stop. I've taken it apart a few times, put it back together, and no matter what I do, the problem persists. So I've went to Screwfix, picked up these Titan 550 watt trimmers. They were only $59.99, so if they're any good, it's a complete bargain. So I thought I may as well cover setting them up and how they perform. Hopefully they're good. So looks like there's pretty much about 4 steps to put this thing together, so hopefully it's not too bad. We'll get her built up now and see what it's like. If you do want to angle it, you do it with that button there. I want mine straight at the minute. So they really were super easy to put together. Let's see how they perform. Okay folks, I think I've put that hedge trimmer through its paces today a fair bit, and I am very happy with the results. I saw people saying it was heavy on reviews, but it was a lot lighter than the one I'm used to. Yeah, there's a bit of weight on it, but certainly nothing that stopped me, and I was reaching up all the time, really high. So no, I am very happy I bought it. Done a great job. I was able to get both of these trees done with it in no time at all, really. Hard work, but definitely very impressed with that Screwfix hedge trimmer. Money well spent. Thanks very much for watching.